When I'm left to do for making you make me. And that's a whole lot of love I ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too beautiful, words don't wanna taste it. That's just too beautiful, words don't wanna face it. I think that I'm done with the way I'm drifting. I've been skipping the style. I've been trying to just be there. You keep thinking that you keep repeating it. Oh, girl, maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me happy for you. Yeah, it's big enough, it got me.
I just realized I haven't really talked to y'all much today. I'm just putting my stuff in the car to head home for the evening, and it is pretty cold outside. Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. In this week's video, I want to kind of prep for Black Friday. Black Friday is quickly approaching, and I need to take inventory. I need to make sure I have everything on my website listed accurately so that there's no problems with shipping come the big holiday rush. And that's what we're just gonna be doing in this video. So let's get into this week's vlog. I'm ending off Monday. It's currently 3:48 in the evening. I'm leaving the Airbnb currently, and I have some groceries in my car that I need to put away when I get to the house. Oh, I also need to go drop all of these bags back here. I need to drop all of them off at the little church and see if they'll take them. I don't want to really give anything to Goodwill anymore because Goodwill marks everything up like 300%. So no more giving to Goodwill. Is going to be giving to churches and other organizations. Like I said, it's 3:48. I need to get on the road. I'm just looking at myself in my camera, in my phone. Yeah, let's go drop this off before it gets dark. I might have another load that I'll need to take, but that was quite a bit in its own. Now, let's go home and see what my vlog is doing. And see if Granny cooked anything for dinner. I just finished filming a bunch of content after I finished working on these. This is what they look like. So cute. I'm going to add those to my website for purchase if anybody wants to purchase some bedazzled mini Lowe's buckets or the little pimple patches. And they come with a mirror. I need to do a day in the life video, so I need to film some B-roll and some content for that video, because that's going to go up on Thursday and I don't have that ready at all. So let's do a little bit of content making. Change my calendar around a little. We'll see. Hey girl, so the main point of this video was for me to do inventory. So let's go ahead and take the time to do inventory. Let me go grab my laptop really quick. Actually, no, I'm gonna use my iPad. Let me go grab my iPad. So I sell on Shopify, and I have the Shopify app on literally every device that I own. I have it on my iPad, I have it on my phone, I have it on my laptop, And I actually have it on my watch too. Ooh, I have a visitor online right now. Pull up products and go to inventory. And let's just go down the list and see if we have any of these things. Let me sort it by available. So I'm just going to start from the top of the list and work my way down. I have it sorted by available, high to low. So what I have the highest count of is at the top of my list. So let's work my way down. Some of these items I'm not going to count because they're things that I can do simply. So like my sublimation gang sheets, my custom cold cups, I make all of those myself. So I have all of the inventory for that. Let me just sit here and look at everything on the shelf and let's organize it. Okay, it's quite some time later and I'm finished pretty much doing inventory. If I miss something and somebody orders it, I'll just have to figure it out later. But so far, everything I had was correct except for maybe 1 or 2 listings. But everything looks correct. Now I'm going to go through and make sure everything is set for the correct shipping size and the correct shipping box, because Shopify actually just recently updated about a month and a half ago where you can choose on the specific product what size box you're using instead of just using the standard box for your... I need to go through everything and make sure I have the correct box selected so that you guys are paying the correct shipping, so I don't have to come out of pocket with shipping this holiday season. For the things that offer free shipping, hopefully I have them all set up correctly. If it's a free shipping listing, I usually already have them double checked when I upload it to Shopify. We're all good in that neighborhood. So I just had some more inventory come in, so I wanted to unbox them with you guys. These should be some of the jewelry / trinket trays. Yes, they are. Cute. So cute. These are the new trinket trays that I've just added to my boutique. I'm going to keep one for myself so that I can use it to take product photos. But the rest, I'm going to go put on the shelf. I just counted how many I had. I have 8 of them total, so I'm going to list all 8 of them up on the website. First, I'm going to take some product photos. I'm just taking some rough photos so that I can have some placeholders for the listing, because I'm going to go ahead and work on the listing. If you didn't know, I use Shopify for my boutique, and I want to go ahead and make the product listing, so I'm just going to take a couple of pictures and add them to the listing so that I don't forget what the listing I just made was for. I guess I should tell y'all what we're going to be doing in this vlog. Today's vlog is going to be all about preparing for Black Friday. It is currently November 15th. So I have about a week and a half to get everything together. I've already done the emails and I have those already scheduled. I need to work on some content for Black Friday, announcing my Black Friday sale. I want to do a free phone charm with every purchase. I currently have all of my content I don't have my mouse hooked up. I have all of my content up until the 17th scheduled and ready to be posted. Now I need to work on the 18th, the 19th, the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd. I try to post at least one TikTok a day so that my account stays active and so that I can pull more viewers and more people into my TikTok shop. So part of prepping for Black Friday includes posts for my short form videos, my long form videos, Instagram, maybe Pinterest. I'm not sure just yet. I may just repost some of the things. I'm currently in the process of scripting out my Building My Dream Boutique episode 4, which should go up the same day that this video goes up. So check it out up here. I'm working on the shot list. I've already sat here and got it already, and then I got some on-screen text suggestions along with 3 different captions, and now I'm going to work on the shot list. I haven't vlogged anything today, but I do want to let you guys know I'm done with inventory pretty much. I need to count these couple of things right here, so we're going to count them together. I'm editing this vlog, so that's what you're looking at right now. I realize I'm only at 7 minutes and I want at least 10 minutes worth of footage. Here's me adding on to this video. We're going to count these right here together because I realized I didn't do any physical counting with you guys. So let me do some physical counting with you guys so you can kind of see my process. I ain't gonna do that yet, but I do need to put stickers on all of those because all of those are recently I just made and just restocked, so we'll work on that too eventually. Here I pretty much have, I figure I should pull up my Shopify. These shoe charms are my most popular item right now, so I'm going to definitely count those and make sure that those are all correctly tracked in Shopify. So I usually just go into the search bar of Shopify and then I type in my product name. Okay, I have all of these the quantities updated, and I am so glad that I did this because I did not have like 3 different color variants in stock. But now I do, so crisis averted. While I'm waiting for my car to warm up and go home for the evening, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog off here. I have another vlog that I really want to film for you guys. You may get another vlog this weekend. If not, you might get one early next week. So stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. We are almost at 500 subscribers. My goal before the end of 2025 is to hit 500 subscribers, and my goal for 2026 is to hit 1,000 subscribers and maybe possibly monetize this channel. So I can't wait to see where we go, where we end up, and I can't wait to keep bringing you guys along for my self-employed life. I am looking for a part-time job, but I'm still going to make self-employed content because I am mainly a boutique owner and I do Airbnb co-hosting on the side, of course. I didn't have any orders today. That's just part of being a business. You don't always get orders when you're a small business anyway. But if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, you can check out my website at shopdaisy.com if you're interested in purchasing any of the pieces that you see me take inventory of today. And you can use code YouTube for money off your order. I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting ERP. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, when I'm left to do for making you